Hi, I'm Pooja from POSBean Billing Software. I'm here to tell about how to make a scheme. To make a scheme, first you have to go for the admin. In admin, go to purchase and then schemes and then scheme. Go to file, new, provide the scheme type, that is by X get X. Provide the product type, it should be in barcode wise. Provide the scheme name. OK. First you have to provide the by product. If you provide the barcode, you will get the product here. Because I have selected bags get X, both it will show the same barcode. Here I am giving 1. Here also I am giving 1. And next give Ctrl S. It will ask to are you sure to save, click on to S. And next go to billing. Provide the item name here. Then give function 12 F12. So it will show the offer alert here. Because I have given their bags get X, if you buy the same product, the offer alert is for same product. Like if you buy the laptop, the offer alert for laptop is the laptop. Then click on to OK. Provide the amount and click on to OK. So if you want the print, you can click on to yes or else no. This is the process for scheme.